Hey y'all, so I'm currently walking to the waterfall. My family's behind me. We are walking to the waterfall. There's like just a bunch of mud. So I have to like walk on the trees and stuff. My whole family's behind me. And I'm like way ahead. Y'all, it's so cold right now. Well, not that cold, but like still cold. We're walking to the waterfall. It's like, it's cold, but not that cold. I don't want to trip on anything. It's very wet. It's slippery. I hear the waterfall. I don't see it. Oh, never mind. It's just a crusty stream. But that's actually really pretty. Ow, 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 ow.
We can walk right across that.
Anyway, look at that.
I'll race you guys to the top.
No! No, I'm gonna trip! So they're like running off. My two brothers are in front of me now. But I'm just gonna enjoy it for this peaceful walk. Look at this beautiful tree just hanging above. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Here we have,
Take my picture here.
I'm pretty sure we arrived at our destination.
Take my picture. 25. Get good flips. Go, scoot back. Hold on.
Wait, y'all, I have to take a photo of my bottle.
Yeah, on my phone. I got my phone. I'm trying to take a photo. Yeah, actually. Go next to Lizzie. This is it.
Here is the water.
Oh, it's up there.
Isn't it? So beautiful.
You can't see it right now.
That's the waterfall?
Yeah, you gotta go up.
Someone take my photo.
Okay, but this is the waterfall. We gotta go up.
Okay, I'll be back.